Good afternoon, everyone. I got IBM. Here's a 15-minute chart. We just reported the earnings that came out. The initial drop was down here to 141, and then we came back right up here to that 149 area based on that knee-jerk reaction, and there it is. Let's go ahead and get that lower end down there. And remember, they did the acquisition to get Red Hat that they bought, and this is the after hours volatility. So it's quite a big move from 141 to 149. It's an $8 move. Now it's come right back in here. And the conference call, they're going to give a conference call. That will be out a little bit later. But I do have one thing that's we'll talk about this. IBM beat by 9 cents a quarter. So they did beat by 9 cents. Revenues came in line. The EPS guidance of at least 13.9. Now, they did have $3.17 per share. And we can also see that the revenue fell 4.0% year over year to 19.2 billion versus 19.2 billion by Capital IQ Consensus. That's just in line. That's all that is. That's why you've seen the stock drop down here to 141 in this after hours, and then it popped. So there's going to be more data that comes out on it and whatnot. Their cloud division was up 3.2%, 5.4% adjusted for currency and whatnot. They're going to reaffirm their guidance for fiscal 19 EPS of at least 1390 versus 1390. Capital IQ Consensus. That's just revenues in line. And this is how that volatility played out on the original knee-jerk reaction. We can see that IBM right now is at 146.31 by 146.50 in the after hours right now. So we'll come back more on it and whatnot. We do know that the numbers are only so-so, but this IBM has missed earnings for 2 years, man, and whatnot. So gross profit margins are up 100 basis points to 47%. That's the largest year over year expansion in more than 5 years, and that is very true about that. So, is there a real turn right now? I don't like the fact that they're not given upside guidance, and they're not. And this is the way that IBM trades in quarterly earnings. It's not like Netflix and all the other big ones. But nonetheless, there is a trade here in IBM in the option market on 7/18 tomorrow morning on the opening bell. We'll figure out what we're going to do with it.